Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 1 4-Oz beef patty, 1 egg, 1 slice of cheese, 1 burger bun, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 TSB butter, and basic condiments. Pat the ground beef lightly to a 3/4 inch thickness and season both sides with 1/4 TSB salt and 1/8 TSB black pepper. Crack the egg into a small bowl to check freshness and reserve. Split and lightly butter the bun so it's ready to toast for 30 to 45 seconds after you cook the patty. Heat a heavy skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Let it shimmer. Place the 4-Oz patty and cook about 3-5 minutes per side for medium, pressing lightly once to ensure even contact. Target an internal temperature of 160 degrees F with a thermometer. After flipping, top the patty with 1 slice of cheese to melt while it finishes. In a separate smaller pan, add 1 TSB butter and fry the egg sunny side for 2 to 3 minutes, cooking until whites are set and edges turn slightly crisp. Toast the buttered bun for 30 to 45 seconds in the skillet until golden. Place the hot patty with melted cheese on the bottom bun, then gently set the fried egg directly on top. Add preferred condiments like ketchup, mustard, or sliced pickles. Close the burger and press lightly, then let the assembled sandwich rest for 2 minutes so juices redistribute and the yolk firms slightly. For leftovers, refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 2 days and reheat in a skillet over medium for 1 to 2 minutes to refresh texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.